So I wanted to make a video really quickly. I've been getting tons and tons of messages of people saying, how are you guys able to get money back on your purchases on an everyday basis? And we have multiple ways, means, methods to be able to do so. And I wanted to share a very simple method with you on today that I really thought a lot of people were aware of. But come to find out, a lot of people aren't aware of utilizing this simple method. So this method is going to be the Cash App Boost, and I'm going to speak about the Bitcoin Boost in particular. You know, a lot of people utilize Cash App on a day-to-day, sending money to their peers, buying goods and services, etc. But a lot of people never press the Add Boost button. So when you press the button that says Add Boost, and you'll see right now it says no boost is added, and I can add one right now. So there's going to be different boosts that pop up at particular times, and you want to make sure that the way that you make this work in your favor is when you're about to spend money on a day-to-day basis, before you spend that money on your regular card or whatever the case may be. What I do is I take a look and I say, how can I leverage this? Like, say I don't even have the funds in my Cash App at that particular time, and it's on like one of my other cards or something like that. But I'm like, okay, I know that I'm about to get in a lift right now, right? And I could get 4% on my ride, right? So it would be advantageous for me to put that money in my Cash App, and I would just add that boost right there, right? Understanding that I can get anywhere from $1.50 to $5, right? As a result of just having that particular boost. I love it because it's money that adds up. Understanding that sometimes the boost will max out at like $5 or $7.50 or whatever the case may be, but it adds up. You know, like, to give you perspective, just to kind of give you perspective on how it can actually add up, you know, just over the last probably like a little over 24 hours, was able to literally cash out a little under $20 in Bitcoin, just as a result of using some of the different boosts that popped up at that particular time. So you want to make sure that you utilize that. So sometimes you'll see the ones for grocery stores, folks that be playing the Xbox, PlayStation, those be there all the time. Starbucks, if you're somebody that is an avid coffee drinker, you're going to Starbucks every single day, right? Then it's not advantageous for you to be spending money on any other card outside of your Cash App card, right? With that boost added to make sure that you're getting that 10%. I love when they do the Bitcoin ones, because you'll get 10% worth of Bitcoin on one purchase up to $7.50. So it was two purchases that equated it to about $15. And then I had another purchase yesterday that I got like a little under $4 and change in Bitcoin. Either way, it's cool. You know, I'm sitting here talking to my wife about exploring different coffee shops, and you can do that, but not just be exploring coffee shops, also putting yourself in a place to where the coffee that I'm drinking is then in turn making me money as a result. So you want to get excited about that. You know, you somebody that might eat your Chick-fil-A on a day-to-day, whatever that might look like for you. I don't know if you go to Tilly's. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what that looks like for you. I don't know if you need to take a look at your bed or your mattress, and you want a 5% off an in-store purchase that might have been $1,000, right, for that mattress at that particular time, or $500 for that mattress at that particular time. So, you know, that 5%, the getting that money back is nothing short of amazing. So I wanted to make this video because I'm excited, and I realize a lot of people aren't really hip to this. And I hope today that you get hip. And if you're not already, you want to make it a point to get into our Get Money Zone group while it's still free, because the price is going up. I'm going to see you at the bank.